Once upon a time, in a small, picturesque village nestled between the rolling hills, lived a young artist named Lily. She was known throughout the land for her extraordinary talent in painting. However, she was troubled by one thing: her inability to capture the true essence of white. One day, she decided to embark on a journey to find the purest form of white. She ventured far and wide, seeking guidance from the wise and the experienced. But no matter where she went, the answers eluded her. In her quest, she came across a vast, untouched snowfield. The snow sparkled under the sun, and its whiteness was unparalleled. Lily, inspired, began to paint the scene. However, something felt amiss. The snow on her canvas seemed too perfect, too uniform. It lacked the depth and character that she had witnessed. Disappointed, Lily sat down on a nearby rock, her paintbrush heavy in her hand. As she looked at the snowfield, she noticed something unusual: the way the sunlight danced on the snow, revealing a myriad of shades within the white. The snow was not just white, it was a canvas of purest white, subtly tinted with the hues of the sky, the sun, and the earth. In that moment, Lily realized the true essence of white. It was not just a color, but a canvas for all other colors. It was the purest form of reflection, mirroring the world around it. With renewed vigor, she picked up her paintbrush and began to paint again, capturing the depth and character of the snowfield. Back in her village, her paintings were admired by all. But it was not just the beauty of the art that captivated them. It was the story behind each piece, the journey of self-discovery, and the wisdom that came with it. Lily's paintings were not just art, they were a testament to the power of observation, the importance of seeking, and the beauty of the world around us. And so, Lily's journey taught us a valuable lesson: that the purest form of white is not just a color, but a reflection of the world around us, and that the true essence of anything can only be found when we look beyond its surface.